Welcome back to Sustained Wellness with Mel and Mindy, and we're moving on to tip number 2 for your exam or revision stress. And remember, it's not just about revision stress. These tips are all useful in so many different situations and circumstances. So Mel's going to be talking about hydration in a minute, but what I want to talk about first is when you are having your dinner or you're having something to drink, try to keep a 45-minute gap between eating something and drinking something. Why? Because there is a belief that you will dilute your digestive enzymes when you have water with your food, for example. So that will make the digestive enzymes less effective, and then you feel a bit sluggish, and that really impacts the energy that goes up to your brain because all the blood is down in your digestive area and digestive system, and you're not able to focus as much. That's that 2 o'clock slump in the afternoon thing. So when you are eating lunch, breakfast, dinner, try to keep a 45-minute gap before and after your meals before you have anything to drink.
Okay, tip number 2 is about hydration. Remember, 75% of your brain is water. So you can see there that if you are dehydrated, that's going to massively impact, especially your short-term memory. So keeping hydrated during times of revision or when you're really trying to read or concentrate is key. Now, remember, caffeine, coffee, stuff like that is a diuretic. What that means, it makes your body create more urine. So naturally, that's going to make you more dehydrated. So, and remember, hydration isn't just water. Remember your electrolyte balance. It's important to keep all the electrolyte salts, potassium, magnesium, sodium, stuff like that in balance. So look into maybe getting an electrolyte drink and incorporating that into your morning routine.